Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at running the official Home Assistant OS VM in VirtualBox. To get started, we'll navigate to the Home Assistant webpage and download the latest release of the VirtualBox VDI file. Open the Downloads directory and extract the downloaded zip file. Next, start VirtualBox Manager and select Machine New to create a new virtual machine. Enter a name for the virtual machine and where you'd like to store it. Then set the OS type to Linux and the version to other Linux 64-bit. Set the VM's memory to at least 1 GB. I'll be using 2 gigs in this example. Select Use an existing hard disk file, then click the folder icon, click the Add button, and navigate to the extracted Home Assistant OS VDI file. Click Choose to select the VDI and then Create to finish creating the VM. Next, with the Home Assistant VM selected, click Settings. Select System from the left side of the screen and make sure to check Enable EFI. Then select Processor and give the VM at least 2 processors. Then select Display and slide the video memory all the way to the right. And finally select Network and set the attached to bridged adapter. With the VM set up, click Start to power it on. Wait just a few moments while the VM goes through its boot sequence. Once Home Assistant OS has completed booting, the URL to reach the Home Assistant web UI will be shown on the screen. Open a web browser and navigate to the web URL shown in the VM. Home Assistant may still be starting up, just wait momentarily. When prompted, enter a name and username and enter and confirm a password. Then click Create Account. Enter a name for this Home Assistant installation, then click the Detect button and click Next. Choose if you'd like to share analytics with Home Assistant, then click Next. And finally, click Finish. Welcome to Home Assistant, running in an official Home Assistant OS VM in VirtualBox.